basically today we are going to meet lots of parents and lots of students with us, and they will be sharing their experiences inside the school campus, whatever they have felt in the school campus. And for running an institution or for running any kind of college or school, we need pillars, and the most important pillar in our school is with us, is our respected principal sir. He has a lot of caliber and have never demotivated us, and whatever the things which is for the benefit of the students, he has helped us a lot. And so let us take you to us with our principal sir, Mr. Rajesh Mishra sir. So sir, please share your strategy about new session which is going to start on 1st of April.
First of all, I should declare it that the response of the parents and students today, that what we noticed in our annual result today, that definitely motivated us and has put us to think in the right direction.
Sir, my second question to you is, in the whole session you have met lots of students and parents, and what are the challenges you have faced?
Since this school has been established there in the rural area, and the locality which we are facing here is definitely not that much mature as per expectation of the CBSE. But we never deny the challenge that we are facing. We have a strategy to change the mindset of the people who live there in the village. In the modern era, in 21st century, there is no gap between the rural and urban. Even the government, in the internet world era, we see that we are connected with the people of the world. So we tried our level best to change the mentality of the parents, as if they think that they are in rural area and the school is there in the rural area. Now we are getting success to motivate them, convince them, and they started believing us that we have a plan for the benefit of them and their ward. And this definitely motivates us. The strategy that we have made to bring lots of success there, and that is what, to approach each and every students. I ever direct to my teachers to connect with each and every students and make them feel that they are not poor. It's okay, they are with their mental status, they are with their IQ level, but my teachers, as I have directed them, always connect with each and every student, even those who are sitting at the back. And we started chatting with the confidence and winning the confidence of the parents as well as of the students. And the strategy is that once we rule over their mind, everything that is up to the mark will be able to implement it, and we are doing it very well with the cooperation of our entire team and staff, and they are doing very well.
Sir, my next question for you is, what are the new strategies you will be making or creating for the weak students?
Through the activities, the learning should be. I always try to have an experimental learning, and the students are always motivated and they are guided to have the activities, various activities, and through activities they are set to learn. And I noticed that the students participate very well there in all the activities, and to say it that they are the student of the rural or village is to be definitely you can say that unethical point that ever people think. And I noticed that